Yung gagawin natin yan, pang ano to, hard training. Ngayon, papunahin natin si Jake. Yan. Susuka ba o susuko?
Suka.
Susuka? Okay, go, ready? Go, let's go! Okay, go! Push up. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go tayo. Go, 15, speed. Go, 15. Yeah, go, good. Go, tuloy, go, balik. Dalawang lang pa, go, tuloy. Good, tuloy, go. Good, go. Push up with the 10. Good. Go, what? Okay, go, last 10. Keep 10. Go, shut up, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Go, ready, start, go, last round. Ready? Go.
Sipaklong.
Ready? Okay, something Alright,
Push up.
With the 10. Jake, come on, Jake, go, hey. Okay, go, good, go, ready, let's 5, kick up, go, 5, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kabila, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, yes, nice, good, nakuha na ni Jake. Okay, may kasunod tayo, go, let's go.